Greetings, young pilots! Are you ready to go on a journey through the sky? Today, we're not just counting airplanes. We're spotting all sorts of fantastic flying aircrafts. You better buckle up as we count up to 30, but remember, only airplanes can count. Are you ready?
We're ready.
Awesome! Let's kick it off on our adventure. Look, over there. That's the first one. 2,
2,
3,
3,
4,
4,
5.
5.
Oh, look at that! That's not an airplane, it's a flying car, zooming around like a sci-fi dream.
Flying cars are cool.
6,
6,
7,
7,
8,
8,
9.
9.
Wait a minute, that's not an airplane. That's a UFO, a mysterious identified flying object.
Wow, a UFO.
10,
10,
11,
11,
12,
12,
13,
13,
14.
14. Whoa, is that a jet? That's not a plane, is it?
Yes, it is. It's a different class of an airplane. Jets are usually flied by the Air Force. That's pretty cool.
Cool.
15,
15,
16,
16,
17,
17,
18,
18,
19.
19.
Hold on a second. That's not an airplane either. It's an helicopter whirling through the sky.
Oh, helicopter, got it.
20,
20,
21,
21,
22,
22,
23,
23,
24,
24,
25,
25,
26,
26,
27,
27,
28,
28,
29.
29.
Look, it's the last plane. And it's the last number. It's the number 30. Yay!
30.
Bravo, everyone! You counted airplanes like a true aviator. Remember, airplanes have wings that carry them through the sky, while helicopters spin and flying cars glide. And UFOs, well, I guess they come out of space.
Thanks for the awesome adventure.
You're very welcome. Until the next episode, keep on your eyes on the skies and your dreams flying high. Farewell. Take care.